Last two practice problems. Again, I don't like the integers, so I'm going to do the first 2 points, x1, y1, x2, y2, m equals 1 minus 5 over 1 minus 3. This is negative 4 over negative 2. So if I reduce, negative divided by negative is positive 2 over 1, or you can just call it 2. So the rate of change is positive 2. Number 4, again, I'm going to avoid the integers. So I'm going to use x1, y1, x2, y2, plug it into the formula, 10 minus 1 over 4 minus 1, 9 over 3. I can't leave it like that. I can reduce that down to 3 over 1, or just 3. So my rate of change is 3. That's it. That's all there is to finding slope.